Hey guys, we're in the abandoned plane hangar off at Werribee. And there's...
Don't even know if this is even hangar. I can't.
Yeah, no, it's a...
I can't film.
Mr. Callum.
Yeah.
So there's...
Actually, I'm still working on Geelong video. I haven't finished it.
I have mine, like, I feel it's like the next day after we filmed it. Anyway, so...
Yeah, I was more
there's not much here. I'm not sure if you can see that too well, but...
Yeah, a lot of this place doesn't seem very structurally sound.
Sorry? Pardon me. Yeah, we found bits of this. Oh, and there's an asbestos warning, so worry we might die. So, yeah. Alright guys, my voice is going to be muffled. I'm wearing my hoodie over my face so I don't die of asbestos. Woo. Yeah, there's... No, does it like give you cancer? Oh. Yeah.
Let me just look it up.
So there's not really much here, really. Just a big empty room with what is G J. So yeah, there's evidence of people being here before us, but yeah, you're never the first.
Oh, this is just been about. The last time I know that this place was visited was 2006, so 11 years ago. This place was last visited.
No, it's no. Nah, Callum, there's probably been people here before that, after that, sorry. Yeah, guys, we'll show you a bunch of crap that means absolutely nothing to no one. So... Wait, yeah, this... freaking that. We just have a bunch of, well, the hazmat things. I don't know what that is, I don't want to know. Gas mask. And if you look here, have the maintenance schedule, which means nothing to no one. So yeah. Yes guys, this is going to be a short video. This is like... And... what the hell is this? Oh, I'm going to see how far I can roll this. The metal one was better. Nah, the metal one was better. That was much better. What? What? Wait. Yeah, it is.
Can you get this thing back?
Alright. Yeah. There's not really much else to show you guys, so we could show you this. If we could get the light. And you guys got a torch? Shine the torch up here.
Look at this.
That's like the thing.
This is either eroded away or
Wait, could you get the torch in?
I'm thinking the lasso.
What?
I'm thinking the lasso is probably being ripped out.
Maybe.
Looks like it.
Where's your torch? I got your multi-tool.
Warning.
I got it.
Oh, this is the asbestos.
Do not disturb this material. Do not touch that or do not...
Wait, hold this. Wait, hold this.
That's the asbestos, I think.
19, 22, 25, 28, 30, 31, 34, 37, 40, 40.
Okay, can you put it back in my bag, please? And zip my bag up. got that torch I need.
Do not disturb the material, that means asbestos. That has to be it.
Oi! Don't do that, there's asbestos!
Asbestos is shit that can kill you.
Oh, that's possibly why it's a mask or something.
I think that's a wheel.
Hey, I guess you could say it's really useless
Hey,
now.
Declan. Look at the size of that torch compared to the size of this torch, and look at which one's brighter. Jesus, this thing's a piece of
Way
shit.
brighter.
Yeah,
This
oh.
thing's a piece of shit. I thought it was going to be better.
I'll take it, it's shit.
Only thing this
Don't give it to Scalzo.
You're not whack me as
Alright guys, this place is so structurally sound they have to use pillars like this one here.
yeah, come look how out of alignment they are.
Well, I'll show.
Look how out of alignment these are.
They're so out of alignment, it's funny.
Just look at that. Just work to... In fact, look at this one.
Which one?
Look at this
Oh, that's in my face.
Holy sh... Ooh. Alright.
That one over there is the same thing.
I'll get it closer.
Oh, yeah, I think that's on the sharpest angle.
Yeah, guys, this one's freaking... Oh shit, it's bent.
What is... Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like bent.
Oh, yeah, I can see that.
Probably just the wind. It's all good, Mr. Cal.
These are definitely not meant to do this.
Oh, don't worry. One of those balls, we still have all these ones. Hopefully.
Yeah, but that'll pour off the entire weight down.
Yeah. See... Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna end the video now. Oh, what the fuck? That can't be seen. I'm just gonna end the video now. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that crap. I don't really care.
Yeah.
Jarvis, they can't see it. Try again now.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, guys.